Hey guys, today we're opening a Polly Pocket. We've never opened them before, but we've saw them, so we're gonna open it. Let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe. This is what the Polly Pocket looks like. Let's get started. There we've got the Polly Pocket out, and this camera, but it's just like thing to keep them on. Oh yeah, so go. The submarine will go, and that. Yeah, let's just get this out. There is some assembly required. It's for the bed and stuff, and then that's the instructions. So let me see how to put together the bed. Does it show? Does it show? So you might need to get your mom and dad to help you put the bed in. So this, let's just switch it back some. And this, you can start this. And the bed. Oh, computer. And the computer can come off, and it can open, and this can open. And this opens, this lifts up, and then to shut it, everything goes in. Close for the big Polly. What is the little Polly? Hiding, must be. Brenna, can you push the slider so you can see if the little Polly Pocket's hiding? And it pops it. There she is. She pops right up. And there's a little card that goes under. And then when you slide it back, she's like rubber, see? Yeah, and this girl, I think can come off too. Guy girl. There. She can come off. And this can lift up. Oh, grab the one part. And there's a little. Oh, and the chairs can move. How's it supposed to stand? You have to or just skateboard. You're like the rubber. So this one can slide like this because her rubber feet stick to there, you can see. And this is what's in there. And the really little Polly can probably sit there. And this big Polly can skate in this skate. And this little one can skate. Whoa! She can't really do it. Sorry about the noise. Our dad is cutting the grass. I'm gonna get to the big Polly, and you see the little boy. She's in there. So let me try to get her all naked. Does she have any extra pants? No, I don't think so. She's going in the floaty. And then you could pop off her head. What? You could pop off your head. Let's get her naked. Now, where's that pool? What pool? The pool. No pool. Oh, here? Oh, there's that. Put her in. Go in there. Whoa, I'm not doing it. Oh. Okay, let's get off her shirt. Go in. Whoa, she flew out. I don't think I flew. Okay, she's going gliding. Whee! I landed on the show. Okay, let's dress her. Okay, now just go down my skateboard. What one should we? Let's go to her closet. Just put these away. Put that there. Doesn't want to hook on there. Okay, whatever. Just put it. Whoa. Okay, let's see if Polly can go get changed. What can she get changed? How about these purple dress? Let's take off the hanger and let's slide her in. And that guy was ran over that skateboard. Everything is falling. Yeah. Let's put that up there. Is she supposed to cook this? Okay. your arms through there. Back. Her arms back. Back this way. Okay. So we beat the card in there. And now she's got a pretty dress on. Now let's go to her computer. Well, if you want to come sit over here so she can go to her computer. Yeah. Okay, let's type. She has no pants on, or shoes, or her necklace. Wait, this is Little Polly, I think. Wait, this tip can come out. Okay, there we go. I'm wearing a big necklace. Oh my God. Let's make her sit down. Hey, look, can I have a big Polly now? I'm not even done putting her on the computer. Okay, hurry up. You're going everywhere. It's crazy. Okay. She wants to go to sleep now. Wait, first I want to go skiing. But I want to have my big Polly. Because her big hurts. Okay, let's hang this on us. Skateboard. Yeah, get Little Polly. Take the necklace off her. Okay, let's go to bed. Jump it. Right up here. Okay, whatever. First, let me go on a tiny, tiny floaty. Okay, I don't fit. Okay, where's the little in her bed? I'm kind of standing, but whatever. There we go. So bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye. 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 Bye.